Good morning, students. I am Sonia Malhotra, your computer teacher. Today, I will explain you the chapter number 1, Introduction to Computer. We will start from here, guys. Relationship between hardware and software. What is the relation between hardware and software? You have learnt earlier what is hardware and what is software. Hardware means the physical parts of the computer system which can be touched and seen, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Because these parts can be touched and seen, that's why we say it hardware. And software means the parts of computer which can't be touched, only we can feel or see, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Paint, calculator, etc. Movies also included in this. These are software. Okay. So what is the relation between? It is just similar to our body. Hardware and software we have in our body also. Hardware are the physical parts of the computer of our body, and software are the internal parts of our body. If we have body but don't have soul, we don't have internal organs, then it is called only the body, only hardware parts. But if the soul is there and the body is not there, it is called ghost. So both are necessary. Like this, in computer system, hardware and software both are necessary. If we have all the physical parts like monitor, keyboard, completes computer system if we have, but we don't have softwares installed in it, like operating system we don't have, no any other software is installed here, then this is useless. Why it is useless? Because we can't do the work in it. It will not show us anything. So hardware and software are very necessary. Both the parts are very necessary. Without soul, body is useless. Without body, soul is useless. Like this, without computer parts, softwares are useless, and without body parts, without monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc., softwares are useless. So both are depend on each other. Now I will tell you about the next topic, configurations of an operating system. OS means operating system. We can write like this also. Configurations means what should be in the operating system. What we have to see, we will see from control panel. We can see through control panel and check also. Number 1, version of operating system. What is a version of operating system? Which version we have uploaded in our computer system, that depends on the quality. Because Windows, in 1985 Windows was developed and 3.1 version was there. Windows 3.1 was released in that time, but today we can't use it because it has not a lot of features. It has very less features that don't complete our problems. So version should be of the latest quality, like Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, and Windows XP also we can include. We can install in that computer system. Kind of processor. Second thing is the kind of processor. Processor means CPU. CPU is not the whole body. A single chip is there. Small chip is there. That is called CPU, and the work depends on that. The speed of the computer depends on processor. If the speed is good, if it is of branded company, then our computer will run very nicely. otherwise it will say so many problems, it will show us the slow speed. Third one is total memory. We have to check this also कि we have installed how much RAM. At least 512 RAM should be in the computer system. 512 RAM is good, but 1 GB 2 GB RAM can be installed in that. Okay, now we come on the capacity of hard disk drive. Hard disk drive capacity should be in TB, 1 TB, 2 TB, 10 TB. Okay, terabyte. TB means terabyte and GB means gigabyte. You should know about it. RAM should be in GB, gigabyte, and hard disk drive remains in TB. If you have installed 1 TB, 1 terabyte hard disk drive, then you can install a lot of softwares and your problem can be sorted out in a better way. Now I will tell you, in the computer system, after explaining all these things, to know the configurations of the operating system, we will learn in the computer system. But right now I will tell you data hierarchy. What is data hierarchy? Students firstly know it. Data hierarchy means how the data is stored in the form of, okay, because data can be in the form of bit, byte, field, records, file. Okay, bit is a small unit. 8 bits include 8 bits equals to 1 byte. 1 byte means 1 letter. Suppose A, this is 1 byte. Okay, this is example. And you know the binaries also. Afterward I will tell you binary, you have learned it. After this we have field. Field means a group of bytes is called the field, where records are, which remain same for everyone. Next is record. A single record of a student is called the that is in horizontal way, and field remains in the columns and record remain in the horizontal. Like 4th number student is Rajkumar. Rajkumar's name, Rajkumar roll number, Rajkumar father name, Rajkumar mother's name will be the record like this. I show you here field like this. Example, name of student, name. These all are fields. Class, father name. These all are the field names, fields. And what is record? Record means like number 1. 1 is also included in that because this is a serial number. Suppose Suresh. Next, class 4th B. Next, father name Mohanlal. This is the record of Suresh. These total 4 fields are called the record of one student only. And last one is the file. File means when we store all the data. Suppose we have 10 students data, 20 students, 100 students, 1000 students, and we keep here in one file, in one place. That is called the file. So So students, data hierarchy is clear to you now. I will tell you now. I take you to the computer system. Here we can go to the control panel. Here on the start button, click start button. Click here and go here on the right window, control panel. You can see clearly here, and system and security is here, and hardware and sound is here. Okay, first of all we will go how can we know the configurations of operating system by clicking on system and security. You can see review your computer status, backup your computer, find and fix problems. Okay, there is system and security. Click here and then you will get action center. So many categories are there. Action center, Windows firewall, system, Windows update, power option, backup and restore, BitLocker drive, encryption, administrative tools. So we will learn about RAM, operating system, capacity, etc. here in system. Okay guys, the third one, this one. Can you see clearly here? Yes. Click here. Now we can check. Now you configure your operating system. Windows 7 is there. This is the copyright of 2009. Copyright means copy. Okay. Original you can't get. Rating here Intel processor hai. CPU. Okay. And memory is of 0.99 GB, means 1 TB RAM is not there. 0.99 GB is there. System type means 32-bit operating system. Okay, no Pano touch input devices here. Okay guys, so you can, if you change any hardware device, it will be included in that. Okay guys, for today it is enough. Thank you. Have a nice day and do practice of this also and learn also. Thank you.